Are you really struggling to decide what to do with your life? Where do you want to go? What do you want to do? And what is your interest? What is best for you? मतलब options ढेर सारे हैं, but you don't know what to do or what to opt for. Then, my dear friends, you are at the right place because today at episode 5 we are going to talk about decision making is an art और उस art को कैसे perform किया जाए. But before that, let me just give you a warm welcome. Okay. Did you know if you do not make a decisions for your own self, someone else would do it for you? For example, if you do not decide what do you want in your life, example, let me say 10th के बाद science चाहिए, commerce चाहिए या arts चाहिए, if you do not work it and decide it while you are in 10th standard, you might have to wait for your result to decide whether what option is best for you. Getting my point? Okay, so now you'll ask me, Tanvi, how can one take a decision what is best for them when they haven't explored that option? True that. But my dear friends, why do we always forget that no decisions that has been taken is going to be perfect? You will always have one or the other regret. What if I could have taken admission in that college? What if I could have chosen that option for my career? What if I would have accepted that job offer at that time that I had received? What ifs and what nots would always be there with you. So my dear friends, let me tell you one thing, that no decisions that we take is going to be perfect at all. Accept that truth first and foremost very clearly in your mind. Fit that in your mind. Okay. Second thing that you need to learn about it is that once we know that no decision is perfect, what we need to learn over here is the decisions that we have made have created one or the other issues. Issues हर जगह पे होते हैं, mistakes हर जगह पे होती है. We may or may not have mistake knowingly or unknowingly in our life. Learn from your mistakes. It's okay. Learn from someone else's mistake. It's okay. And when it comes to choosing something again in your life, use those lessons to your privilege, I would say. And most importantly, guys, weigh your options. सभी चीज के pros and cons लिखो. Analyze it. Which is the best option? Right? Okay, so in that case, that would really help you to decide on what to do in your further life. That is also sorted. But let me tell you one thing, that would create lot of hard work for you, the small amount of breaks, and we don't want it to be bombarded with and get tired with all the decisions that we make, right? तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Very simple है जी. Give your brain as much as rest you can. For example, if you would have seen me, first I used to wear different clothes for my vlogs. And I always have to think, यार last vlog में क्या पहना था? I need to make sure कि आज मैं वो ना पहनूं. But today I haven't done my makeup, so I cannot wear sleeveless. Today my hair is messy, so I cannot wear this. Today I'm not in a condition to wear something like this. So I need to make sure that I do not repeat my clothes, and it again has to make a decision. So in short, if you ask me, पूरे दिन में our brain makes more than 3,000 decisions for us. Whether it's about what should we wear, what should we eat, what should we drink, whether we should go to office by bus or by car or take an auto or whatever it is. There are thousands of decisions that we make in a day, and our brain needs a break. We should not overstimulate it, right? So in that case, how can we make sure that our brain is resting properly? Make sure that there is certain less amount of work that needs to be done by brain. For example, I made sure that I wear the same t-shirt every time when I make this kind of vlogs. तो मेरा brain को सुबह सुबह सोचना नहीं पड़ता है कि भाई आज क्या पहनूंगी. I need to work on that, right? फिर I can make sure that there are certain pairs for certain events. So I know कि भाई. Then you will say, Tanvi, what might people think that I do not have clothes? What are you saying, bro? But guys, let me tell you one more thing, that this rule is not only applied by me. It is also applied by Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs. So basically, if you ask me, all celebs, big people whose time is precious. Use this technology to not only save our brain's energy but also their time. So, moral of this story, guys, decision making is an art. You should master it before someone else master it for you. Okay. So, my task for you guys for this week is very simple. Take any 3 tasks that needs you to take decision on it. Okay, it could be anything. Shopping करना है, नहीं करना है, इतने पैसे खर्च करने हैं या invest करना है, क्या करना है. Take it as soon as possible. Those tasks in your hand. Decide it, work on it, and let it go. Because the more you procrastinate making your decision, someone else would make it for you, right? And make sure, guys, while you take decision, listen to your instinct, because your gut intuition never lies. Trust me, if you will start listening to your gut intuition, it will take you to the right decision at right time and at right place. But do not delay it. Gut intuition का ये loophole है that if you do not take decisions or listen to it timely, it says goodbye to you. So don't let your gut instinct say goodbye. Listen to it and try to follow your heart. See you next time. Till that time, hasta la vista, sayonara, and hurry up.